We're going to have to move to a place where we can get visibility of the whole base of it.
Right.
You can't
Keep
see it
going
from
around
base.
this corner, this hill up here.
It's coming down. It's coming down. Oh my God! Look at that thing. Multiple.
Right at us.
Yeah, it is. That's why we're going to have to move here. Just a couple minutes. We're fine right now. Can y'all see that well? Okay, we're pretty close to it. No, we're fine. Don't move. Do not move till I say please. Okay? We're fine, Tim. We're fine. Awesome. The structure of this tornado. Strong tornado. Strong tornado. Debris in the air. Debris in the air on the left, all around the tornado. It hit some structure over there. Wow. See it good, Colton? Yeah, please don't make it play. What an awesome tornado. What an awesome tornado. Not even day one yet. Just southeast of Beaver City, Nebraska. It's morphing into a beast. Morphing into a beast. It's lumbering so slow across the countryside.
Can I move up a little bit, Roger?
Yeah, move up. Oh, well, no, I don't want to because we may lose some sight of the debris field here. Just be real still for just a couple of minutes, then we'll move on. It's all right, don't worry about it. We're going to stay right here. We're not going to move. Tornado is that break? It may. Big tornado just off to our north, less than a mile away from us.
Lord, Roger.
You have debris in the air. Go fast! You gotta go or we're gonna die. I'm not serious. I'm not joking.
It's floored.
Okay.
I can't see. I got all the water's inside the windshield. I need something to wipe this off with, people.
You gotta go. You gotta go. Oh.